Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hi, beautiful people. Good morning. Right now, I'm in Dhaka city. Morning in Dhaka is always full of new dreams and new hopes. When the sun rises, the whole city wakes up with fresh energy. Dhaka city is a busy city, but morning in the morning, it feels peaceful and inspiring. If we start our day with positive mind, we can make our whole day productive and successful. So let us thank Allah for a new day, a new life, and a new chance. Please stay strong, stay positive, and always trust in Allah. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to follow me for more English learning videos. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.